What's up, everyone? So we're back here. We're going to be pressure washing this fence that you see right here. This is all fence. This isn't a paid for job or anything. It's just I started this a few days ago, and I'm going to go back and touch up in a few spots, and then we're going to start pressure washing this. I know I've not made a video in quite some time now, but it's been really busy, and I'm going to try and get back in the swing of things and start making more videos. So now I'm going to show you the pressure washer I'm going to be using, and we'll be getting to pressure washer. So this is my pressure washer. It's the Steel RB 800. I think it's 4,300 psi. It's the largest pressure washer that Steel makes. It's commercial grade. So anyway, that's what I've got, and that's what I'll be using. Then I've got just some turbo head. So yeah, let's get to pressure washing. Alright, so I'll show y'all it when it's dry, but this is what it looks like. I don't know how long it took me, not exactly for sure. I'm thinking probably about an hour. And so let me quickly think. So right there, I would charge about $135-ish for that square footage. That's about 30 cents a square foot. And I did it in about an hour. Made $135 if this was a regular job, and I have really no cost in it, just time. Alright, so that's basically it. I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, I've not been making any videos lately, just I've been so busy, but I'm gonna try and start making some more videos. It's about to be hunting season, so I'm about to start hunting and trying to video that and stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more pressure washing or working videos, just let me know in the comment section. I'm planning on trying to do some more in the near future, I guess. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.